What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to do another spying session, and this time we're going to spy on some push ads. So let's dive in. Alright, so I am inside the dashboard of Anstrax Push, and in today's session we are going to do some spying. We're going to review a couple different ads, see how well the images are and the headlines, and we'll check out some landing pages as well, because a lot of you send me private messages asking me to do more of these review videos. So here's yet another one, and this time for push ads. So let's get started. First things first, I'm going to use some of these filters, and the first filter that I'm going to use is the language filter. So I'm going to set the language filter on English so that I can make sure that I can actually read these headlines that we are about to review. Okay, second thing I'm going to do, we've got plenty of filters here on top, but we also got a row of filters below that. And the days running is quite interesting to me, at least. It's one of my favorite filters on Anstrax, because this can basically filter out ads that have been running for like 1 or 2 days, because those ads are usually still in their testing period. So we don't know for sure whether they are working or not. However, if I push this days running to, let's say, a minimum of 14 days, that's 2 weeks, then we will get a selection of ads that have been running for 2 weeks at least, suggesting that they are probably more successful, right? Because if a ad is really bad or an offer is really bad, then most likely the affiliate will already push it offline within those first 2 weeks. So now that we have set that filter, we will receive most likely more potentially good ads than before. So let's get going. Let's just pick a random ad and we're gonna review it. So we've got the classic you have one message, right? You have one message, note, is this your package? Okay? And the icon is an envelope with a 1, basically just saying, okay, you've got a new notification, please read this. Usually works, although I wouldn't use a regular envelope. I would use something more colorful, maybe attracting a little bit more, because if you receive messages on your phone, it is usually from Facebook or from Messenger or from Instagram or from WhatsApp, and those are quite colorful logos that you recognize right away. So if you have a white logo with just a black envelope and a red 1 as a notification there, it might not get the attention of the user. So I would use something a little bit more colorful. Apart from that, we do have another envelope here. In the headline, you have one message. Note, is this your package? So the thing that I would do differently is, okay, if you use the headline, you have one message, then I wouldn't start the sub-headline with note. I would say something like, there's a package ready for you, or request your delivery of your package, or we couldn't deliver your package, whatever, something in the trend like that. Because you are already notifying the user that they should read the message, right? You're already saying you have one new message. So there's no need to say note. And the question, is this your package, is unrelated. I would say, okay, you're gonna create the feeling for the user that you sent this message directly to them because it's their package, all right? So don't ask them if it's their package. Say something like, we've got your package, something in that trend. The image is just a boring image of a package, all gray background. I would use something that pops out a little bit more and create a little bit more contrast to the picture. It's all quite dark and boring, all right? Shall we see if there is a landing page? There is a landing page. So this is a Amazon landing page. Congratulations. Today, Amazon is conducting a survey of its customers. It only takes a minute and you get a fantastic reward, Apple iPad Pro. Are you ready? Each Monday, we select 10 random users to give them a chance to win amazing prizes. Today's award, Apple iPad Pro. The survey only applies to people who live in Canada. This survey aims to improve the services provided to our users. Your participation will be 100% reward. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 49 seconds, I guess. That's all of a sudden a different language, but that most likely has to do with the geo of the person or the bot capturing this landing page. All right, so it's a Quizlander, so you want to answer a couple of questions, and as soon as you've done that, you have the chance to win an Apple iPad. And we have some comments down below. So this first comment, right? This guy entered and won and received the iPhone 11 Pro in 2 days. So if you look at the date, it says 21 December 2020. That's exactly the date of the day that this capture was taken, 21 December 2020. So that wouldn't make sense, right? Because the price is an Apple iPad Pro, although they do say, okay, we have different prices. Today's award is Apple iPad Pro. So I guess it still makes sense, but I personally would keep it within one angle. So if you want to push the user to fill in the survey and fill in their details to win a Apple iPad, I would suggest to put in the comments some pictures of an Apple iPad Pro as well. Or get multiple pictures, but then definitely include the same product, because that is what the user wants. So if they see another user getting the same product as they want, then they're more likely to actually convert. Okay, apart from that, pretty decent lander, apart from some language mistakes, whatever. But that probably has to do with the browser language of the bot who captured the landing page. Now let's take a look at something else. Earned millions in an evening. Change your life with trading. So we have this icon right here. There's too much going on. Okay, we don't notice it's a Mercedes car, and he has the key in one hand and he has an Apple Pro on his wrist. However, this icon is going to be so small that the end user, the user who gets this notification, most likely is not going to be capable to see what's going on in this image. There's too much going on. It's too small of an image. It's an icon, so it gets very small. So there's too much going on, and the user won't see what the point of it is. All right? Then we have this image. That's a regular make money online image, all right? So expensive car and a woman inside of it or whatever. It's just a regular picture for make money online offers. The headline, earned millions in an evening. Okay, so a couple good things going on. I do think that this affiliate could have been a little bit more creative in how to use these kind of angles. However, what is going on in this headline, earned millions, of course, suggests that it's a lot of money that you can earn. And in an evening, of course, suggests that it doesn't take much time or effort to do so. So basically it says, get a lot of money in no time by doing nothing. That's kind of what the headline says. And then the subheadline, change your life with trading. Okay, so if you want to use the change your life kind of angle, use something physical. Use something that, everybody gets. Quit your work with trading, or leave your boss, start trading. Something like that. Something that is emotional value to us. All right? There are a lot of people who love to quit their job, who hate their boss, who want to say, fuck you, I'm leaving, I'm fucking rich now, all right? So use that. Use that feeling of the user of saying, like, I want to quit my job. Use that in your angle. All right, let's see if we have a landing page. We'll do a quick review. Okay, so it's a dog food landing page. That cannot be right. So let's just go to something else. Let's see what else we have on here. Number 1 trusted online casino in Singapore. Deposit and claim free spin. Stand a chance to win SGD5888. Okay, I've got no clue what SGD5888 is. Maybe you do. Maybe people in Singapore do. I hope so. If not, of course, that's a very bad decision to choose that as your sub headline. But I'm not quite sure. So maybe it's a thing. If it's a thing, great. If it's not a thing, of course, change it. All right. So the headline: number 1 trusted casino in Singapore, deposit and claim free spin. It could have been a little bit more juicier. All right. So, okay, I get it. You want to state the fact that it's the number 1 trusted online casino in Singapore, but you could have done it differently. Most trusted online casino now has huge promotion, whatever, right? Something like that. Make it a little bit more juicier. Less focus on the trusted online, number 1 trusted online casino, and more focus on like, okay, so we always have a casino, but this is the moment you really want to get in because we have this massive promotion, all right? Less focus on the trusted, more focus on the promotion. All right, let's see if we have a landing page. Probably not. It's probably going directly to the offer, I assume. No image available. That's what I thought. Okay, well, let's see if we can find something else. Let's do one more. All right. Let's see. We've got some more financial. Okay, this is weird. 9 mouth-watering meals. Okay. Can be juicier, all right? What's going on? Why do we want to watch this? Why do I want to see 9 mouth-watering meals? What's the point? And then the image doesn't make sense at all. Okay, it creates curiosity because her tongue is all gold. But apart from that, there's nothing really going on. So this ad could use a lot of improvement. Get a picture that creates a little bit more curiosity, that has some more contrast to it, and an image where there's something going on. Because right now I just feel like, okay, this is somebody's tongue and it's gold. Okay, whatever. All right? So we want to create more curiosity and we want to pop out a little bit more. And then the headline, of course, 9 mouth-watering meals. It's say something like, why do we want to watch this? Create some curiosity. All right, 9 mouth-watering meals. I know exactly what's going to be in there. 9 mouth-watering meals. And as soon as I know what I'm about to watch, I don't want to watch it anymore. So you want to create this feeling of like 9 meals that change your life. Okay, how are meals going to change my life? Are they that delicious that I never want anything else? Are they that nutritious that I have energy for 5 or I need less sleep or whatever? Or are they meals that taste as good as fast food but help me lose weight? What's going on with these meals? Make some more curiosity about them. I don't want to see 9 delicious meals. I want to know, why should I watch these meals? Because I got plenty of sites to watch 9 mouth-watering meals. All right? So that's going to be it for this video. So stay tuned for more. Until then, peace out.